Hi everyone, welcome to this video where we are going to explore the world of innovative mechanical machinery. Today we'll be taking a closer look at some of the latest and greatest advancements in the field of mechanical engineering and the impact they're having on our daily lives. Advancements in robotics. One of the most exciting areas of innovation in mechanical machinery is robotics. With the rapid advancement of artificial intelligence and machine learning, robots are becoming increasingly sophisticated and able to perform a wider range of tasks. From manufacturing and assembly lines to healthcare and hospitality, robots are revolutionizing the way we live and work. Automation in manufacturing. Another area where mechanical machinery is making a big impact is in the field of manufacturing. With the rise of Industry 4.0 and the Internet of Things, factories are becoming increasingly automated, with machines and robots working together to produce goods more efficiently and accurately than ever before. This is leading to increased productivity, lower costs, and improved product quality. Energy-efficient machinery. Sustainability is another important area of innovation in mechanical machinery. As the world becomes increasingly aware of the need to reduce its carbon footprint, engineers are designing machines and systems that are more energy efficient. From wind turbines and solar panels to electric vehicles and smart homes, energy-efficient machinery is helping to reduce our dependence on fossil fuels and slow the rate of climate change. The future of mechanical machinery. So what does the future hold for mechanical machinery? Well, with advancements in artificial intelligence, robotics, and energy efficiency continuing to push the boundaries of what's possible, the sky is truly the limit. Whether it's in the manufacturing industry, healthcare, or any other field, the innovative mechanical machinery of the future will be smarter, more efficient, and better equipped to meet the needs of our rapidly changing world. Smart machinery in healthcare. Another area where mechanical machinery is making a big impact is in the healthcare industry. With the use of smart medical devices and robots, doctors and nurses are able to perform procedures and surgeries with greater precision and accuracy. For example, robotic-assisted surgery allows for more minimally invasive procedures, which in turn results in less pain, faster recovery times, and lower risks of complications. Agricultural machinery. Innovations in mechanical machinery are also transforming the way we produce food. Agricultural machinery is becoming increasingly sophisticated, allowing farmers to cultivate crops more efficiently and effectively. From tractors equipped with GPS technology to drones that survey crops and monitor growth, agricultural machinery is helping to boost yields and improve the sustainability of food production. Renewable energy machinery. The shift towards renewable energy sources is another area where mechanical machinery is making a big impact. From wind turbines to hydroelectric power plants, renewable energy machinery is helping to reduce our dependence on fossil fuels and minimize our impact on the environment. With advancements in battery technology and the rise of electric vehicles, renewable energy machinery will continue to play an increasingly important role in our energy mix in the years to come. The importance of mechanical engineering. As we've seen in this video, the innovations in mechanical machinery are having a profound impact on our world. Whether it's in the field of robotics, manufacturing, healthcare, or any other industry, the role of mechanical engineering is more important than ever. Mechanical engineers are the ones who design and build the machines and systems that are transforming our world and improving our lives, and their work will continue to be critical in shaping the future of our planet. And that concludes our in-depth look at the world of innovative mechanical machinery. From robotics and automation to renewable energy and smart machinery, the advancements we are seeing in this field are truly impressive and are having a real impact on the world. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video informative and interesting. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content. Until next time, take care. Disclaimer: please note that the information in this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered professional advice. Always seek the advice of a qualified expert before making any decisions or taking any actions related to mechanical machinery or engineering.